Hello guys, I will show you how to earn money with sepia. You will make money with sepia. Easy method. Uh, you need only to ping traffic for your website, real traffic from Google, Facebook, Instagram. Uh, you will make monetize this traffic for you. You can register directly from here, clicking below. The link is here. Just do click below. Now you will see this publisher application where you will register your new account. You will put here your first name, last name, and another things. We show you how to do this. For example, you will put here in company if you have a company. If you have a person without a company, you will, you can put it you can put here personal. No problem for this. If you have a website with traffic, you will put this name of the website here. You need a website to do this application. Basically, it's easy to do on website, WordPress, Blogger, whatever thing you can do it in. Put here I will put Google, for example, here. Remember, this is only an example. Street address, Miami, Florida. We'll put here you will choose here your escape or aim. We'll put escape. You will put here publisher type. I prefer personally email. This is how you to do you offers when the people fill your offers. They will see your website and fill the offers. I prefer email. Email address, blah blah blah. Gmail.com. Password 1235. Password 1235. It's only for example. I will put here blah 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 Alaska. I am not a robot. You will click here. You need read terms and conditions before to do this. Okay. You will. Where did you hear about us? You can put about me. for example in a video or YouTube or whatever, and you will make a click here, register. Immediately you will see it, my desktop account. Immediately you will accept it, your account. You can see it here, my earnings actually. You can see this, all-time earnings, total price. This is my earnings right now. Minimum payment, process first of payment, Pioneer Global, US Advance, PayPal. They can next things file. Well, you can see here my earnings. Sorry for my bad English. I hope you do understand me. I hope yes, you do understand me, my stupid English. But you can register clicking below in the link to register to your new account. Just click below, please, and register and start your earnings. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for next videos.